Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add the TikTok app to your dock on Mac, so you can open it anytime, just like a regular desktop app. Let's dive in. First, open Safari. You can find it in your dock or open it using Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to TikTok.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Now, head to the top of your screen, click on File in the menu bar, and then select Add to Dock. A small window will pop up, letting you rename the shortcut. You can keep it as TikTok or name it something else. It's up to you. Then, click Add. Boom. You'll now see a TikTok icon in your dock just like any other app. And here's what's awesome. When you click it, TikTok opens in its own standalone app-style window, completely separate from Safari. You can even close Safari, and TikTok will stay open on its own. And that's it. You now have TikTok added to your dock like a real Mac app. If this video helped, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.